Hello and welcome to my lazy but healthy kitchen. Today we'll be making plant-based mayonnaise or garlic aioli, depending on what you prefer. I'll be adding the garlic, however, if you just want simple mayonnaise, you leave the garlic out. If you're ready, let's start cooking. Let's start with the ingredients. We'll be adding some soaked up cashews. Mine have been soaking for roughly 5 hours. However, if you do forget about it or you just simply don't have the time, you can also cover them with boiled water for 20 to 30 minutes before making the mayonnaise. This will soften them as well. We will also need some nutritional yeast, some mustard, some lemon juice, garlic if you do intend to make the garlic aioli, and water and salt. Then we'll be adding everything to the blender. Then blend on high until smooth. Now, best is to put it in the jar and place it in the fridge for at least an hour before serving. So I got here my mayonnaise or garlic aioli in my case. It's super quick and so easy to make when you have the cashews already soaked. It just literally takes 5 minutes to make. And yeah, that'll go in the fridge now for at least an hour, but it will also last a few days. Let me know in the comments how you're liking it. And as always, stay healthy and see you next time.